already lied in the intro of this video. What we're planning to do is, you know, Honda has these triangle exhaust pipes at the bottom.
Yeah.
We plan to run it actually through here.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm prepping it.
Yeah, so we're gonna go all motor and we're just gonna run it through here, and so it can blast out people's faces when we drive.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Hi guys, we're back at MD Autotech today to just do a few things on the Type R. This will be part 2 of the series or so on. I do want to share with you guys the progress that I make, and I've just been ordering parts in the moment. So it's been a rear tail light, 4 new center caps, brand new, from Tegiwa, and then 2 track rod ends, tie rod ends, left and right, spare fog lights, a few like clips and grommets and stuff like that I've been ordering. I do have the Tegiwa intake track, but I'm not going to put it on this time because the bumper needs to come off, and I'm a bit iffy on, they say, the FN2 Type R bumper. Once you take it off, never sits the same again, so I don't really want to take it off and struggle to put it back on, so I'm not going to do that right now. And yeah, that's today. It's just the rear tail light. It's missing the lens cover, so I've got a spare with the lens cover on. I just can feel all this gasket rubber is really hard here, so I've got a spare one, and hopefully it'll make the rear of the car look better. So I was saying what the fog lights is, that's the condition of the one on there. The condition of this one, it's not much different, so like, do we bother changing it now, or we can change it at a later stage? Exactly the same.
Exactly the same.
We'll have to hear it.
Perfect.
I can go on a track day soon. If I ordered the wrong part, probably would have cried, you know.
100%.
Yeah, that's completely not doing anything.
Pretty
It's
much.
just chilling.
It's just chilling.
It's on a holiday.
The rubber is the only thing that's holding that together. It's like,
Here we go. That's the difference. So if anything you don't want to play, yeah, there's resistance there. If anything you don't want to play with suspension parts on a car.
the sag difference.
It's still got the stock Sachs shock absorbers in, stock springs. I don't think we'll change it anytime soon because the roads here are pothole frenzy, so keep that going for now. I don't need to drop the car. We buy a sports orientated car to just not change a lot of things, I guess. So this is why we actually wanted to change it. If you look at how collapsed this one is, yeah, thanks. I was advised by the guys change this, so this is why we got to change this one. Look how bad that is. And this man's popping red tags here.
Now my OCD is gonna kill me, so
It makes like 10 million times difference.
100%.
Wow.
Yeah, that's annoying.
And it's not super burnt because like somehow these boxes on the top or somewhere they kind of crack, or
Yeah.
so it's fine.
This is probably one of the most legal Hondas that's ever been in this shop.
Thank you.
It's still got the charcoal canister, the factory muffler, factory cat, factory res, factory wheels, stock struts.
We got done what we needed to today. Suspension sorted, trying to get the alignment later. Thanks for watching part 2, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We'll do some more interesting stuff. I'll still do that walk around, and I'll still do, I think, maybe a dyno tune or just a dyno run. We need a power run on this car. I need to know how much it's making. The stock is on the ever.